Hey guys, welcome to couponing. This is Splint Rose. How are you? Hope you're doing well. I'm doing pretty good. This stuff that you see here on the table is my stuff that I'm buying for my prepping uh, cabinet or my prepping storage. And what it is, as you can see, we are really not a canned food eaters here. We eat mostly fresh food, my husband and I. However, we do eat the canned pink salmon. We do eat that, and the peanut butter. I love it, but yeah, we do eat that, and we eat tuna. But mostly we don't eat these other canned foods. But I bought them for emergency purposes. And, with the pandemic going on, and remember how we couldn't buy disinfectant, we couldn't buy toilet paper, we couldn't, there was just so many things, even dishwashing liquid, any type of product that had disinfectant in it, we couldn't get those things just a few months ago. And we don't know what it's going to be like in this winter. I know they've been, Dr. Fauci, all the way back in March, April, May, he was talking about that the pandemic is, the virus is, the COVID-19 is going to come back around again in the winter. So we have to be prepared, and I'm preparing. That's all I'm doing. I'm becoming a mini prepper. My husband and I, we've always had food in our cabinets. We would always buy food for at least 2 to 3 months. So a lot of this stuff we already have. But anyway, I was at CVS, and they had a great deal on these products. Okay, too bad it wasn't that can sale. Our ShopRite, we have a supermarket called ShopRite. They normally have a can sale like in January, but this pandemic is, not, this is not January. So I had to do the best I could. So I used some of my extra care bucks to buy this stuff. Okay, most of it was 2 for $3 or 3 for $6. So let me just see. Here's one of my receipts from the other day. Okay, so I bought the clam chowder soup, the New England clam chowder soup. They were 2 for $3. And I believe that one you got $1 back in extra care bucks. Yeah, see that you get $1 back in extra care bucks. So then it ended up being 2 for $2. So I bought the 2 clam chowder soups. Then I went in another day, and I don't know how I ended up with 3 soups. So I ended up paying for one of them. Excuse me. But I bought the chicken noodle soup. Here it is, chicken noodle. Here's chicken and rotini, chicken noodle here. And those were 2 for $3 as well. The tuna fish here is 3 for $3. So each one of these packs is $1. The soups here, like the Campbell mushroom. I have mushroom soup back here. Cream of mushroom. And I also have the cream of chicken. These are good to cook with. When you're cooking, I don't just eat that by themselves, but I use this when I'm cooking. So I might put it in, like if I'm making some kind of like roasted chicken or something like that, I'll put cream of mushroom. Or if I'm making a casserole, I'll use mostly I'll use cream of mushroom or cream of chicken, depending on, it depends on what type of dish I'm gonna make. And y'all know I don't be cooking. My husband does most of the cooking here. All right. So the other thing that I bought was the Skippy peanut butter. I bought one that is reduced fat. A lot of times when you get to buy these products that are reduced in sugars or fat, they just taste funny. But I said I'll try that one, but I bought one regular one. They were 2 for $6. These pink salmon. I don't see the pink salmon right now, but they were, oh yes I do. They were 2 for $6 as well. I thought they were all great deals. And these taco packs right here, it's a few of them in here. I just took this whole thing from the store. They let me have it. They were, I think they were like 2 for, no, they were 3 for $3 as well. They were pretty cheap. And I bought some granulated sugar. It was one, this is like a 5-pound bag of sugar. Let me just take it from over here. And look, oh, look at it. Oh, this is a 4-pound bag of sugar. And this one was $3.69, and the other one was 50% off that. So you figure it was what, like $1.85 or something like that for the second one. So I didn't think that was a bad price. All right, so this is my prepping products. That's what I'm using all of this for. Prepping for an emergency. All right, and you know what? I'm going to include that with it too. That I bought the other day. I forget where I bought it from. If I bought it, I forget. I would have to look. Oh, I know where I bought that from. I bought that from Walgreens the other day. Yeah, but I'm going to use that along with this, and I got to find some place to put it. But for now, I've had it on the table, but I'm going to take it off the table and move it somewhere else. All right, okay, guys. I don't mean to scare anybody, you know, by saying that we have to start prepping and preparing for emergencies. You have to make sure that you have food so that if your family needs to eat, you have food in your house where you can feed them. I don't have a freezer. I think I'm going to invest in buying a freezer. But I really probably don't need it because I have a freezer in my refrigerator. Then on the other side of the house, I do have a freezer there too. So I can use it. Make sure you buy water. I have plenty of water. And what I've read is that for human consumption, you need at least a gallon of water a day per person. So make sure you have water, okay? All right, there's a lot of things that we have to prepare ourselves for. And even if nothing ever happens, you can always just eat the food, right? So it won't be money lost. All right, guys, I love you much. And God bless you. Subscribe. And that way you'll be connected and you can always come back and see what I'm talking about. And press that notification button because that'll really let you know when I put up a video. All right? Okay, guys. I'll talk to you later. Love you much. Bye-bye.